Priceline is a provider of travel and restaurant reservations. It owns Booking.com. I like Booking.com. Priceline.com and Agoda.com.
Exactly, plus a couple of others. So this is really the global leader in online travel reservations, because Booking.com has got all those properties, and you can use them, Priceline and Kayak and so on, to find deals and to book air travel and other travel opportunities at a lower price, and the payment details all taken care of.
Market cap $89.4 billion, a PE ratio of 40.9, and pays no dividends. That's no surprise. Let's have a look at the share price graph.
So it's got a very high share price. In other words, each share costs $1,813. That is a 5-year chart, and you can see it proceeds steadily upwards. Nice.
So with our 16,000 Rand, we couldn't even buy 10 of these.
Yeah, so you've got to be patient, buy 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5.
And the 16,000 Rand that I'm referring to is the cash we have on hand in the local portfolio. Right. Rowan, Priceline.
Yes, I mean, this company is really pervasive in the web. If you've done anything, and most people have tried to book online, they're tracking your behavior. If you search for a particular venue, destination, and you browsing the web later on, suddenly you're getting all these push-driven ads for these particular venues, best deal in Paris or whatever. So I think they very much have adopted the web wholly. So using big data, using Google's advertising prowess, and really pushing a lot at you. I think also importantly, a lot of smaller vendors, even chains, hotel chains, they don't really have to put on their own online presence. They can use Booking.com. Obviously, Booking.com is earning some sort of commission, but I think it's worth their while. So this is one of the bigger gorillas in the space.
Are they making money? Because you look at a platform like Twitter, which does not make money. Now, Booking.com,
yeah, no,
for
they
instance,
make plenty.
Do they?
Because they charge, hotels and other bed and breakfasts to have a presence inside their site and the position of the particular establishment when you search. So if you're going to Santiago in Chile and you search for hotels there, well, you're going to get offers dependent on who's paid to be wherever. Obviously, there's all sorts of filtering that goes on. Plus, they get a booking fee if somebody actually goes through the platform, which is great, because once you're a signed-up user of Booking.com, then all your details are there. You've been recognized as a successful person that's visited, and you paid and everything went well, so then your status and your credit worthiness is fine coming back again.
Just a random thought is the impact that this is having on the travel industry and travel agents in particular. It must be completely wiping them out.
I think it's upending the travel industry. So you want to look for companies and sectors that are being transformed, I guess, by digital behavior, digital consumption, digital presence. And really, I think Priceline is very much in that key vertical of travel and leisure, and I think has got a lot of legs as a result.
Could this be the Amazon of the future?
Look, in each of these sort of web verticals, you get a dominant player. Of course, it's always a tricky one, because you wonder whether, say, a big gorilla like Facebook or Google will muscle its way in. For the moment, anyway.
Or look at an acquisition.
And the other opportunities in the space or competitors are TripAdvisor, which is a competitor, and then there's Expedia, which is also a competitor, and then things like Airbnb. Okay, that's not really a competitor, but it is
it's a different model in the same accommodation and space.
But there has been some rumor that maybe Priceline could be a takeout, or the party doing the taking out of, say, TripAdvisor or Expedia.
Hot not?
I've owned some of these in a portfolio for a while, not the hot stocks portfolio, but they've done well, and it's a stock we've been recommending to clients and accumulating, because millennials, to bring it back to our starting point here, would rather go on a world tour than, buy a new car when they're in their mid-20s.
Yeah. Rowan, have you looked at this as an investment before?
Yes, I think, look, a lot of us are users of it, so I've enjoyed the experience, and I think if we adapt that, with our personal experience as the trend of millennials, it appears that this has further room to grow and wholesale adoption, so yes.
Hot.